Good morning, friends. In previous lecture, we have seen nuclear power plant introduction and country-wise detail of the nuclear power stations. After that, we have seen here nuclear power station consists of a conceptual model. So we can see here conceptual model of nuclear power plant. Here, see this is containment building. This is the reactor vessel. This is reactor vessel. This is sphere rod, control rods, steam, coolant pump, heat exchanger or steam generator, water, steam, turbine, alternator, cold water, condenser, cooling tower, chimney. See, this is parts of our nuclear power stations. See here, simple working of this nuclear power station. Power producing here using this fuel. Power producing means energy produced in the form of heat. This heat energy heated the water and convert water into steam. This steam rotate the work our turbine. This turbine mounted on generators mount and generator once mounted on same sort of generator. So generator produce the power. After that, steam removing and going through the condenser and also going to the once again in boiler. In this way, we have produced the power in nuclear power plant. After that, nuclear reactor. So main parts of reactor core, moderator, control rods, coolant, reflector, thermal shielding. Reactor core, we can see here main parts, reactor core. This is reactor core. Moderator, here moderator to moderate the or control the reaction. Control rods control the reactions. Here, coolant used in the reflector also use thermal shielding. We can see one by one in detail. So reactor vessel we can see here in diagram. This is actual photograph of the reactor vessel. This is cross section. So rod cluster control guide tubes, reactor coolant inlet nozzle, core barrel, neutron reflector, fuel assembly, reactor vessel, reactor coolant outlet nozzle, reactor vessel head, control rod drive mechanism. So nuclear fuel, rod cluster control assembly, bottom nozzle, top nozzle, fuel rod, grid assembly, control rod guide tube. So pivot, fuel tank and fuel rod, bottom nozzle, we can see here. Fuel rod clad with stainless steel, zirconium or by aluminum to prevent oxidation of uranium. Moderator, reduce speed of the neutron. A fission event usually produces more than one neutron. Lighter water deuterium, or heavy water DTO, graphite, beryllium, in which uranium can work on slow as well as fast neutrons, so don't need to moderator, but enriching cost is more. Water as a coolant and moderator flow between pure rod. Deuterium is the best moderating rate is 12,000, H2O is 72, and carbon is 170. U2O3 pure rod, delayed neutron, control rod, charge tube, control rods, radiation shielding, pressure vessel, graphite moderator, Pierce rod, hot gas duct, steam, heat exchanger, water circulator, water, cool gas duct, gas circulator. Reflector, good absorber are good reflector, so moderator are used as a reflector. This is COA reactor, coolant tube, hydrogen atmosphere, insulator, neutron reflector, fair power, fair powder, reaction turbine, sorry, reaction tube. Trace holding non-fissile hydrogen absorbing material, thermal control for hydrogen absorbing materials. Coolant, we can see a coolant process, steam to turbine, steam generator, feed water, primary coolant pump, emergency core cooling system, reactor pressure vessel, COA, control rod, heater, and pressurizer, water spray. So multiple layer to safety, 45-inch steel reinforced concrete, 1/4-inch steel liner, 36-inch concrete shading, 8-inch steel reactor vessel, nuclear fuel assemblies, safety in engineer into reactor designer, containment vessel 1.5-inch thick steel, shaded build wall 3 feet thick reinforced concrete, dry well wall 5 feet thick reinforced concrete, bioshed 4 foot thick gritted concrete with 1.5-inch thick steel lining inside and out. Reactor vessel 4 to 8-inch thick steel. Reactor fuel, bare wall 1.5 feet thick concrete. Now, reactor classification based on neutron energy. Thermal neutron reactor, light water moderator, heavy water moderated, graphite moderated, boil water reactor, light water moderated also divide into boil water reactors, pressurized water reactors. Graphite moderated divide into gas cooled, water cooled, and fast neutron reactor, liquid metal cooled. Based on fair use, natural uranium, enriched uranium. Based on current use, water cooled, heavy water cooled, liquid metal, gas cooled. Based on moderator use, water and heavy water reactor, graphite reactor, barium reactor. Based on type of core use, homogeneous reactor, heterogeneous reactor. Types of nuclear reactor power plant, thermal reactor, pressurized water reactor, boiling water reactor, the gas cooled reactor, high temperature gas cooled reactor, pressurized heavy water reactor, fast breeder reactor, liquid metal fast breeder reactor, gas cooled fast breeder reactor. So enrich uranium 150 bar pressure, water coolant and moderator. Pressurized water reactor PWR. The interior of the reactor is maintained at high pressure to prevent water from boiling. Despite its high temperature, a steam generator produces steam using water other than the water flowing inside the reactor. A pressurizer is used to maintain the reactor water at constant high pressure, ensuring that it does not boil. The high temperature and high pressure water is introduced to steam generator. The water on the turbine side is heated to produce steam, which turn the turbine and generator to generate electricity. Control are inserted from above: reactor, containment vessel, pressurizer, control rods, steam generator, turbine, generator, heat water pump, circulation water pump, cooling water. The water reaches higher temperatures and high pressure as it flows between the fuel rods. So reactor pressure vessel here, this is pressurized water reactor. We can see here the interior of the reactor is maintained at high pressure to prevent water from boiling despite its high temperature. A steam generator produces steam using water other than the water flowing inside the reactor. Pressurized water reactor, we can see here. The advantage of this pressurized water reactor: compact reactor, water for both coolant and moderator, fission produced in the reactor only. A pressurized water reactor disadvantage: high pressure, high cost, low efficiency as saturated steam generated in secondary circuit need shielding in primary circuit. Serve corrosion need to shut down for fuel charging, where reprocessing is difficult due to radiations. So boiling water reactor, we can see here diagram of boiling water reactor. Reactor pressure vessel, we can see here. Boiling water reactor uses enriched uranium as a fuel. No need of heat exchanger as a direct conversion of water into steam. So it is called direct cycle boiling water reactor power plant. Tarapur power plant is a boiler water reactor. Advantage: no need of heat exchange, so cheap. Low pressure, so less costly. Disadvantages: possibility of radioactive contamination of steam turbine. Sudden changes in load cannot be met. System require extensive safety devices against radioactive radiation, which is costly. So gas-cooled reactor, advanced gas-cooled reactor, we can see here steel line, concrete, pressure vessels, biological shield, control rods, electricity off grid, electricity generator, steam, warm water, cool water pump, water pump. Gas-cooled reactor, example, carbon dioxide, UK instead as coolant and graphite as a moderator. Natural uranium as a fuel, coolant pressure is 7 bar and temperature is 336 Celsius. In helium, USA instead as a coolant, as a graphite as a moderator, 15 bar to 30 bar at temperature 700 to 800 Celsius, called high temperature gas-cooled reactor. Condu, Canadium, deuterium, uranium, Canadian reactor. We can see here Condu, Canadian, deuterium, uranium reactor. Steam generator, reactor core, coolant heavy or light water, moderator heavy water, uranium fuel bundles, steam turbine, condenser, electric generator, transformer, condenser cooling water, Canda, deuterium, uranium condu reactor, steam generator, light water steam, turbine, electric generator, heavy water coolant, control rod, Tarantria, pressure tubes, heavy water moderator, light water, cool condenser water, warm condenser water. Sodium cooled liquid metal reactor, we can see here cooled primary sodium, hot primary sodium, control rods, hot secondary sodium, heat exchanger, this is secondary sodium, cold secondary sodium pump, steam generator to turbine, cooled condenser water, and electric generator. Liquid metal cooled fast breeder reactors. We can see this diagram, liquid metal cooled fast breeder reactor here, flow vapor coolant level resile for breeder blanket, reactor cool pump, biological shading, liquid metal coolant, a heat exchanger, steam generator. We can see a reactor pool, primary coolant, intermediate loop, power generation loop, intermediate loop, reactor loop, primary coolant. We can see here internal part of this. This is water vapor total plant, nuclear power plant. This is total nuclear power plant with nuclear power plant equipment. This is in this diagram we can see all parts of the nuclear power plant. So today we have stopped here. Next part of the nuclear power plant we will discuss in next lecture. So today we have stopped here. So thank you all of you.